So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to replace a Samsung dishwasher drain hose, remove root and reconnect step by step. So step 1 is disconnect under the sink. Place a bucket under the plumbing connection to catch spills. Loosen the metal clamp holding the old drain hose to the sink drain or garbage disposal. Pull the hose off the drain pipe port. Disconnect the copper or braided water supply line for the shut-off valve using a wrench. Then step 2 is remove mounting screw and lower the unit. Open the dishwasher door to access the mounting bracket. Remove screws screwing the bracket to the countertop or side cabinet. Unscrew the button from kick plate at floor level and set it aside. Use a wrench to turn the front fleet clockwise to lower the dishwasher height. Then lowering the height prevent the dishwasher from getting stuck on the countertop. Third fix is pull out the dishwasher. Gently slide the dishwasher forward out of its cabinet slot. Feed the drain hose and water line through the cabinet hole while pulling. Stop pulling when the back of the dishwasher is fully accessible. Fourth fix is access and replace the hose. Unscrew and remove the metal side panel cover. Then squeeze the metal spring clamp on the pump nozzle using pliers. Slide the clamp down and twist the hold hose of the nozzle. Push the new hose firmly onto the nozzle, then slide the spring clamp back tightly over the connection point. Fifth fix is reinstall and route the line. Feed the new drain hose and water line through the cabinet hole. Push the dishwasher back into the cabinet slot and ensure the hose is not pinched or crushed against the back wall. Reinstall the countertop mounting screw, attach the front kick plate. Sixth step is connect and create the high loop. Push the drain hose end onto the sink tailpiece or garbage disposal port. Tighten the screw clamp to secure the connection. Fasten the hose to the top underside of the cabinet above the sink drain level using a plastic clip or strap. Ensure the high loop is created to prevent dirty sink water from pinhoning back into the dishwasher. Reconnect the water supply line to the water valve. Thanks for watching.